Welcome to the show, where you'll learn how to invest in mortgage notes, the savvy real estate investor's secret weapon to create cash flow without tenants and property acquisitions for pennies on the dollar. My name is Robert Haitha, founder of Fix Notes, and my mission is to make note investing ethical, profitable, and accessible for you. In every episode, we're democratizing the industry to put these powerful Wall Street assets into the hands of Main Street investors like you. So without further ado, let's get into this show where you're in good hands with my AI clone. Let's go. This program is for informational purposes only and should be independently verified before taking action. Today, we're going to challenge a belief that most real estate investors carry with them, one that may be limiting your growth without you even realizing it. That belief is that a borrower defaulting is a failure, that it's the worst case scenario, that it's where the problems begin. But in the note space, default isn't a disaster, it's the doorway. It's the moment where everything begins. Most people are taught to be afraid of default. And honestly, that makes sense. Banks have to deal with layers of regulation, landlords worry about missed rent disrupting their cash flow, and homeowners often associate default with embarrassment and the risk of losing their home. But as note investors, we don't have to think that way. We look at default for what it really is: leverage, motivation, and a gap in the financial system that we can step into and turn into opportunity. When a loan defaults, it signals distress, and distress creates a vacuum. A vacuum where large institutions get nervous and back away, and where smaller, nimble investors like you and me can step in. This isn't theoretical. It happens every day. The big guys want performing paper, they want low risk, clean books, and automated income. But that's why they sell us the non-performers at a deep discount, because they don't want the hassle. But that hassle, that's where the margin is. Every defaulted note is a unique story. Maybe it's a job loss, a divorce, a medical bill, real life happening. But behind every missed payment is a borrower who at some point wanted to pay. They signed the loan docs. They committed. So when they fall behind and the lender gives up, there's now an opportunity for you to step in, not just as a creditor, but as a negotiator, a human, and a deal maker. The key is that your capital was used to buy this note at a discount. So even if the borrower owes $60,000 and you paid $20,000 for the asset, you've got flexibility. You can restructure the debt in a way that works for them and delivers strong returns to you. You're not boxed in by the original terms. You're in control. That control is everything. This is also where your systems and processes give you a serious edge. A lot of new investors panic at the first sign of legal. But if you've got capital reserves, a legal team, and a solid playbook, you're in a position of strength. Foreclosure isn't your goal, but it is your leverage. It's what sets a timeline. It creates urgency. And as the sale date approaches, that's often when the borrower finally picks up the phone, ready to make a deal. And look, some borrowers won't respond. Some properties are in bad shape. Some files drag out. That's part of the game. But if you understand your exit strategies, whether it's loan mod, deed in lieu, payoff, short sale, or taking back the property, you're playing offense, not defense. You're structuring your own outcomes. That's why this business works. So don't let the word default make you flinch. Embrace it. It means the note is broken, and broken notes are where smart investors make their money. It's not about collecting easy checks from perfect borrowers. That's a race to the bottom. It's about solving problems that others are too afraid or too big to touch. Default gives you the opening. Now it's up to you to decide what to do with it. In the next episode, we're going to equip you with the language of this business. There's a lot of industry-specific terminology, and mastering it gives you confidence in every conversation, every trade, every negotiation. So tune in next week for episode 9, Key Terminology from the Fix Notes Dictionary. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thank you to my trusty Robot and the Fix Notes team for putting together another episode. If you want to learn more and hang out with the real, not AI version of me, join our free school community at school.com/fixnotes. That's SKOOL.com/FIXNOTES. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next episode.